Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. This is Oddbird. It is I believe it's their first time canning their beers. They canned 3 beers. This is one of them. We went there yesterday. It is their Catbird IPA. Or Catbird. It's an IPA. The label is cool. My hands are a little dirty, and this is a little wet, so it kind of got gross, but yeah. I like their little bird thing. It's really cool. It is 6.9% alcohol by volume. It was canned on 6/6/23. Seek joy and be kind. It is June 11th, so this is 5 days old. And yeah, it's a simple label, but it gets the job done. So yeah, I haven't really had. Well, I'll put it this way: the only IPA I've had from them was yesterday. Katie and I went there, and she got their Nectaronicon, I think it's called, which is a double IPA, I believe. It's clear, much like this one. This one's slightly hazy. That one might have been slightly hazy too. I don't really remember. I just remember it wasn't hazy. And I had a little sip of that. Because mostly when I go there, they have something on cask that I drink a bunch. They have a low ABV stout. They have a smoked Helles. So I usually have other things to drink other than IPAs. But I tried a little bit of that one, and that one was very good. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into this one. Yeah, it's yellow, sunny, golden-ish color. Half a finger of a white, dissipating head. I think that's white. Maybe slightly off-white. Oh. The lighting here is... I'm in the middle of this, so... Hopefully it gets better. I keep changing it around, hoping it'll get better. And it doesn't. So I feel like my first setup that I had, my desk over there, was the good one. But we'll see. Yeah, slightly hazy. But you can definitely see through it. Let's see what it smells like. There's a little bit of like you get the maltiness. It comes off like a little like kind of straw hay kind of thing. Not in a farmhouse kind of way. There is a citrus in there. There is also other things in there. Was that tangerine or something? There is it's kind of a bunch of different citruses. But it's weird because usually there's like a generic citrus but this is kind of like specific citruses, just a bunch of different ones, like lemon, lime. I'm not really getting orange, but tangerine. I feel like there's like a gummy worm kind of thing going on in there. A little bit of fruit cocktail. Yeah, that gummy worm gummy bear kind of thing is super cool. Fruit cocktail, very cool, very good. It smells very good. I'm getting a little too in my head about it, so let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. That is way more bittering than I thought it would be. Not in a bad way. Just wasn't expecting it based on the nose. Everybody makes so much goddamn noise around here. Yeah, it's kind of cool because you don't because the level of bitterness that you get, you don't really get a bite. It just like kind of comes in near the end. It is a bit drying as well. Yeah, very similar to the nose, other than the bitterness. That generic, or not generic citrus, but like that citrus that like is kind of like a bunch of specific citruses together. And then I don't know. There was a point where melon popped into my head. That little bit of fruit cocktail thing is in there. It is malty in a good way. Not like, I guess it is. I guess there are West Coast style vibes going on here. There are. And yeah, there's that little thing that comes off like gummy bears or gummy worms. There's a little bit of fluffiness, a little bit of creaminess to the mouthfeel, but it's fairly straightforward. Yeah, this is super fresh, so I am looking forward to cracking another can in maybe a couple weeks. I have a whole 4-pack, so. Or no, I gave Katie's dad one of these and one of the other ones that I got. And then I'll probably I don't know, do whatever. Katie's making noise and distracted me. Excuse me. This is making me very burpy. So, points off for that. I'm just kidding. Yeah. I feel like there's like kiwi and like melon in here, but I feel like my palate is not. I feel like I don't drink enough IPAs now to like kind of pull out some of the stuff. And also I know, like, sometimes reading the list of, like, tasting notes and stuff, I have no idea what they're talking about. But anyway, this is really good. I like it. I kind of wish, like, you know, I want it to be a little lower ABV, but, you know, that's just me. But yeah, definitely enjoy this. Would not be disappointed if this was an IPA that was the only IPA to drink. But yeah, and it's cool that they're canning beers now. I don't know how often they're gonna do it or what, but it's nice to take Catbird home with me. Yeah, they're like my favorite brewery now. Or something. I don't know. I have a fondness of them. Now I'm just rambling. So anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.